So could Shiba Inu reach 0.0001 soon? That's what we're going to be talking about today in this video. We got a lot to talk about with the Shiba Inu technicals and our price prediction for 2022. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out where exactly Shiba Inu is more than likely to end up next year. So the first thing I want to say is please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And now let's get straight to the video. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So let's get straight to it. So the first thing that you see with Shiba Inu is the 24-hour market control is actually in control by the bears by 60%. So it shows that we are 60% bearish after what we did previously. So look at what we did. We pumped all the way up here. So these green areas here are pretty much the supply and demand areas for the vital algo indicators. So you see the green areas are areas of more demand. The red areas are areas of less demand. So you see Shiba Inu actually topped out of an area of more demand, but look how thin that red area is. That pretty much shows that that is very small resistance. There does show that there is a little bit less demand over there, but it's not as small as you would think. There's probably more demand up there than you would see back here. Now this area here is more of a bigger area of, red less demand. So it shows that there is a little bit less demand over here. But right now, if Shiba Inu can get past 0.0004 right now, then we will be on a bullish trajectory, and that would actually help out the Shiba Inu price in the long term. Now, if we were to get rejected and then just continue to go down on the downtrend that we are on currently, pretty much we would end up trickling down to this area here, the 3-4 area. There is a little bit of supply and demand there. It shows that there is a little bit of demand here at this little area here, which is actually around 345. 3-4, somewhere around there. And then you got the next area here that actually spans from about 3350 down to about 330 to 3250. And then down there you have even more supply and demand areas showing more demand from Shiba Inu. Those ones are spanning down here from about 320 all the way down here to this area here of 28. So even if we got rejected at our current levels up here, we still have a lot of areas of high demand that would actually act as like support, and then we would actually be able to build up momentum to rise back to where we are previously, where we were with Shiba Inu. So we could see a lot coming up in Shiba Inu now, where we do have some more areas of less demand where we're going to have problems getting past. You can see all the way up here around the 54 area, 0.000054. We definitely had a hard time there, and it shows that we will have a hard time next time we get up there. The same thing with 551, somewhere around there. We're going to have hard times getting past these areas, but it's not impossible. It's definitely doable. All it takes is momentum, and that's exactly what we're on. We're on a momentum train right now. I've been mentioning in my past few videos that this could be a bull trap, but right now we may actually have a reversal coming into the crypto market, into overall all financial markets. But something else I want to also mention is you got to think about 2022. Like 2022 hasn't even started yet. This is only the end of the year of 2021. So when I say Shiba Inu could go to 0.001 soon, like that means like next year is pretty soon. Like sometime next year, whether it's mid next year, early next year, or late next year, that's still soon. We still have the potential to rise back up to our all-time highs and way above those all-time highs. So there's definitely a lot of potential here with Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu price could hit 0.000449, but the Christmas Grinch is still just around the corner. So even if we go short in the short-term bearish market, we still have a long-term bullish trajectories. But anyway, Shiba Inu price is looking at a bit heavy this morning during the European session. So Shib price looks like it will be rejected at 0.00040. You kind of see that actually happened up here. The second we hit the 40 area, that's where our less demand was. We got rejected there. So that's why you've seen that rejection in the sell-off coming inside of the Shiba Inu price. Now, it does show over here, expect liquidity to dry up, with investors pulling funds out of cryptocurrencies, resulting in further correction towards 0.00030. So when I say the short term right now, just know the short term, we are going to have a pullback. We may have another little tiny flash crash, so there will be a pullback. But Shiba Inu has the potential to reach 0.001 by sometime the mid to end of next year, somewhere around there, even maybe towards the beginning of next year. We could see that anything can happen at this point. But yeah, Shiba Inu's price is getting rejected at the 0.0040 area. So as investors start to pull their funds away for Christmas, people take funds away to buy Christmas presents, maybe because next year they also have to file taxes, so maybe they need some write-offs, maybe they need to write off some losses, they just need some money to pay taxes. So there's a lot of reasons why people sell a lot. And also, this area is a psychological area. If we go below 0.00030, then it's definitely going to take us a little bit longer to get to 0.001, because people are going to see that and they're going to see it as a bad movement for Shiba Inu. They're going to sell out. They're going to be, oh no, Shib's going to add another zero, and then they're going to start selling out, right? But anyways, a drop towards 0.00030 would be logical with the monthly pivot at that level and the Fibonacci retracement acting as pretty much support. So with that acting as support, it would be pretty good for us to hit that area, because it would give us that momentum. It would give people an incentive to buy the dip because they see a buying opportunity. They see that discount. So when they actually buy that discount, that's actually what starts the momentum of the whole pump with the crypto rally. So we may see a bull run inside of Shiba Inu coming sometimes early or mid next year. So Shiba Inu price could drop 20% on thin liquidity today. Remember, this is short term. Shiba Inu price has had a good Christmas rally, but now it looks to be taking a turn towards the 0.00040 area and downwards, because it was a rejection at that resistance, as they're calling it. So moves are likely to be enlarged as liquidity will dry up even more going into the U.S. session. So a complete reversal of the Christmas rally could be in the cards, which would mean a 20% drop possibly today. Now, I did mention that this could be a bull trap. I've been mentioning it inside all my videos. I've been screaming bull trap, bull trap, bull trap. Some people have called me a bear for this, but no, I'm telling you right now, short term, the crypto market is very bearish. You're going to see pullbacks coming back inside the crypto market. I can see it already, but you just got to be prepared for that. Look, this was a little bit of a bull trap. We see it. This is a lot of selling, and there's hardly any buying trying to combat that selling. So short term, you're going to see some losses in Shiba Inu, but just know the target price next year of 0.001 is still inside of the picture. So don't get too upset about it. Don't feed into the FUD. Don't feed into the FOMO. Just keep doing what you're doing. Invest progressively. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Be smart with all your investments. All the good stuff there. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Just saying my strategies. But anyways, Shib price will then look for support, which is likely to be provided around 0.00003. So that is where our monthly pivot is. So even if the pivot breaks just a few ticks below the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level, which is a tough nut to crack for the bears. So expect Shib's price to search for moderate level, to quote, before investors start to declare or before the investors pretty much start to celebrate Shib. So anyways, you can see over here the resistance that they're talking about, the 4465 area. Once we pass that, we're going to go into an ultimate bull run, meaning that we're just going to go straight up to the 5690 area. And then if we break that, we continue on that rise. Then we got the 6889 and then the 873, and then boom, after that we're at our target price. So really the only major barriers we have to pass, we are about to go back down to the 30 area. So that's going to add on to another major area. Remember, we're going to have this short-term pullback in the market. So you got to add on this area, this Fibonacci retracement area right here too. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 different levels of major resistance to pass before we reach our target price of 0.001. That's possible to do sometime mid next year. That's why I've been mentioning mid next year. Even early next year, if we get a huge pump like the other year, previously what we had early 2021, we had huge growth inside of the crypto market. If that happened again and reenacted its whole self, then we would definitely see like Q1 Shiba Inu at 0.001 at Q1. So that's what could happen if we did that. But anyways, we still got good stuff. If bulls can find enough volumes and go for the last punch to the upside, expect a test again and possibly a break at 0.004, which could see a short-term accelerated move towards the 4490 area, a likely stopping place for the rally. So that's short-term. That's where the rally could stop short-term, because remember, we're still in a little bit of a pullback area. They're pretty much saying if we hit the 449 area very soon, like tomorrow or the day after that, then you're going to see another pullback, because we're not done with the pullback yet. None of that is done yet. People are still going to start to sell out. You're still going to see some money shift out of the market and into other financial markets. It's just what's going to happen. It's inevitable. It's probably shifting into more stable stuff like real estate. A lot of people are also shifting out of stocks. So you got to think about that. But anyways, why Bitcoin could see the Christmas holiday begin a 50% rally, that's pretty much why they're talking about here on FX Street that we could possibly have a little bit of a reversal going back up to the 40 and eventually the 4490 area, because we could see people coming in for Bitcoin and coming in for these dips just to kind of make some swing trades here and make some money off of it. So over here it says Bitcoin price develops bear trap on his point and figure chart. A Christmas rally of nearly 50% is likely, and they said this yesterday actually before we started to have all of this huge rise in price action today. You can kind of see how that's happened, but it hasn't hit 50% yet. So anyways, they're talking about how it could stop at $51,000 a buy stop or stop loss at 46K. we had passed 51K earlier. So right now we're actually around 50.9K, but still we passed 51K earlier. So we may see a little bit more increase in price, or that may be where we topped out for the day. So, or for the week really, or even for the month, because remember, the month is almost over. So going into 2022, that's when we're going to start seeing new predictions for Shiba Inu pretty much. But I do want to show the prediction that we're doing for 2022 with Shiba Inu. So what I'm projecting here, I'm not looking at this one here. They're talking about 0003 within 5 years, or 00008 by the end of next year. But we already hit the 88 area. That was actually our previous area of our all-time high. So I'm really what CoinCuro on this. They pretty much believe that Shiba Inu will see a strong and huge growth inside 2022. Pretty much they're saying by sometime 2022 they're going to get to 0002. So that's 3 zeros and a 2. So I definitely believe that's the one that we're going to hit by 2022. And additionally, it has the 2023 and 2024 price targets, 2023 being 0005 and 2024 being 0075. So I definitely think those are actually pretty good projections. They're definitely very realistic, if we want to say that. And then by 2025, you're going to see a penny Shiba Inu. So these are very realistic projections. I definitely believe they can be achieved. We just need to take some time to do that. Now, anyways, Shiba Inu is down 5.4% in the last 24 hours, but we are up 11% still in the last 7 days, even though we kind of lost some of our gains for the day. So we've been going down all day. But yeah, that's why I was saying this could be a bull trap. You don't want to go all in at once. Look, there was a bull trap right here on the 30th or 29th of November, going into the 30th. We had a huge bull trap there. People thought we're about to go back bullish again in the market, and then we just kept going down. People thought the same thing way back here, November 5th. They thought that this was going to be a bull market, but it was really a bull trap, and it started to go down. The same thing here. They thought that the 28th was a bull market, and it started to go down back with a bull trap. So this could quite possibly be a bull trap. Usually we see 3 of these before we actually have a rise and increase in the market. Look, we had a huge one here, boom. We had another, boom. This could be the 3rd one. And after that, we could see a rise coming into 2022. Maybe it'll be mid-January or late January, but we should see some rise coming back into the crypto market there. We should see a reversal. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. This is all pure speculation. Now, look at our holders now. We're almost past 1.1 million holders in Shiba Inu, which is actually pretty big. We're at 1,086,858 people in Shiba Inu. That's a lot of Shiba Inu people right there. Shout out to the whole Shiba army for this. Yeah, yesterday it was 1,084,675. So by the end of the year, we should be at 1.1 million holders. That's definitely some really good stuff for us right there. So shout out to the whole Shiba army for making this happen. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over this and let you all know what I think of Shiba Inu and what's about to go on inside the crypto market and where we could possibly end up next year. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want access to these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.